This is awesome. Yink. What do you think of that? Check the rain. Yeah, that's it. Oh, double. Good morning, guys. I'm just heading to the same honey hole we went to the other day. We caught that massive barra. It's about 5 AM. We're heading to the same honey hole. Have a good flick. Got a good feeling. It's been raining freaking hammer and tong for the past couple of days. Thunderstorms, just been wild. You guys stay tuned. Righto guys, we're here. So I'm gonna be flicking this snag a little bit. It's a big rock running through there as well. But yeah, I'll be having a flick at this snag here. Probably try and shoot some stuff in there. And we'll work our way up the creek mouth here because the sun is about to come up over there. So yeah, it's gonna be main. Haha, there we go. Fish on. This must have been 5th cast. Rain's picked up. Oh, look at this. What we got? Try to land this guy. Oh, okay. Yeah, look at this guy. He's gorgeous. Nice and small. With his back spines here. Yeah, and that gob too. What a beautiful fish. 5th cast this morning. Let's send him home. And yeah, carry on. Yink. Let's do this. Love this weather. It brings out the best in everything. Heading up the creek mouth now. Yeah, should be good. It's nice and wet. It's perfect. You gotta be the fish. And in order to be the fish, you gotta be nice and wet too, you know? See, it's just coming over everywhere. Okay, all happening. Check this out. So I went and got this the other day. Oh, hang on, that's me munchies. Check this out. Flexi frog chase baits. So I'm thinking, because it's raining, and raining a lot at that, we might be lucky in using something like this because it disturbs the surface of the water. I can see there's play out there. There's stuff happening. There's play even up here. Probably mud skippers or whatnot. Just the ones coming close, but there's definitely play out there and it's touching up the surface. So what I'm thinking is, if I whack these surface lures on, we might have a good time. So yeah, let's give that a go and see when we're hooking on. Yeah, that's it. Oh, double. Oh, you seeing this? What? I got hit like 3 times then. Yeah, this was the move. They're smacking this thing. Down. We bent the back on my boy. Let's do this. Let's get him up there. This is freaking awesome. Get out there, you dog. I'm gonna try something over here. Yeah, because that's what, apparently that's what these lures are the best at. So you can sort of shoot it in into snags like that, and yeah, you won't get snag just driving up it. So that's a pretty neat little thing. I'm just seeing the play over there. And yeah, I want to be part of it. No, just running back. This is awesome. Yeah, heaps playing here. Dos, bos, os, dos. Go on. Go on, jump me. Not the CROC, but jump me lure at least. Oh, this is a fun lure to fish, I'll tell you what. I recommend it. I'm having a lot of fun fishing this. Oh. Gotta do life. Gotta do life. That's where it's at. Rain, hail or shine. Just get out there. Enjoy nature. Can't get better than this. I'm freaking ecstatic. It's so much fun. Guys, just like I said, I want to work my way up this creek mouth. So here we are. I'll be whacking this snag here. Whew, this is a good spot. Look at these absolute views. It's freaking glass too. Oh, it's so nice. This is freaking A1. Life couldn't be better. Tide is just low enough. I'll be able to walk this mangrove system here. But I do want to put the chase bait in here because it's so freaking glass. Just see what's good. Let's go this way. See what the mangroves have done. Okay. Tiny play in here. Just in there. Tiny fish. So we've got like a reef break here, which is so nice. How is that view? Also, check the rain. Dink, dink, just everything inside of that. It's very wet at the moment. Oh. Just gonna walk up this way a good bit. Oh, check this. This is pretty cool. What do you think did that? Let's keep walking up this way. See what we got. What course is that, you think? Look at this big old hermit crab. Hello, buddy. Look at him. This is a really big hermit crab. I'll put him back. He's making his way downtown, walking fast. You can see this little trail here. That's incredible. Oh wow. Just want to look at this puddle here. Walking around it, having a bit of a gander. So you'd be surprised at the amount of life in here. Got another hermit crab here. Look at this guy. Isn't that freaking incredible? This whole system is just teeming with life. It's different all across Australia, obviously. What you'll find in these systems. Up here, unfortunately, you might end up finding the good old snapping handbags, and yeah, that's sort of what I'm trying to stay away from. Clearly. Oh, what a life. mud skippers in there, skipping around. But yeah, this is a freaking life, guys. I'm telling you, if you ever feel like a plastic bag, what am I saying? Just get out there, freaking, it's free. Don't even have to fish, don't even have to be looking for crabs. Wherever you are, just get out there and freaking enjoy what you got, because life is pretty short, and with views like these, me personally, can't stay inside. It's impossible. Jesus Christ, look at this. Big storm out there. Big storm. But how gorgeous is this? I guess it is to come before the storm. So check this out. We can check this out, guys. Just found this absolute stack. Pippies over here. Depending on how feral you want to go, boil them up and have a feed. They're all over here, which is pretty neat. Like I said, it's all teeming. It's life everywhere. Also, check this out. Got a decent storm out there happening. Lucky we're not that kind of fishermen, eh? But yeah, this is an absolute dream, being out here. And yeah, every day just get to experience this beautiful freaking spot on earth where it's just so gorgeous. Beyond thankful. I think that's it for me today, guys. I'm ready to go home and have some brekkie and a cup of coffee. Time to get to work. Thanks for today. Take care.